visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. Tingnan natin ang mga nangyayari sa paligid. Ano na ang energy ng inyong relationship. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lang. Take what's only yours. And baka din naman, hindi nyo man ito napapanood sa time na pinost ko, no? Kasi this is the timeless reading. So, kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, meant po, no, na mapakinggan nyo yung message na ito. So, let's start with the reading. The Ten of Cups, the Queen of Pentacles, and the Eight of Cups. Hindi pa rin nawawala yung emotion na mahal kita. Pero parang feeling ko meron ditong somewhat gap, no? Pwedeng mahal kita pero I'm loving you from afar. Mahal kita pero ayokong sabihin muna. Mahal kita pero kailangan muna natin maghiwalay for the sake of, some specific reason. Pero promise ko babalikan kita. Ito yung mga love na pwede nating sabihin, a promise of I'm still loving you. Or at least for now, yun yung aking nasasabi, no? Mahirap kasi magsalita ng tapos na ikaw lang ang mamahalin ko habang buhay. Pwedeng nasabi natin yan. Pero syempre, no, tao ka, meron dadating at dadating sa buhay mo na pwedeng magpatibok ng puso mo in the future. Pero for now, sabihin natin na dun ka sa part na isa lang ang tinitibok ng puso ko. Kahit meron kaming separation, whether this is physical or energetic. Eight of Cups is clarified with the King of Wands and the Judgment. Masakit kasi ito yung part na nagpaalam siya. One thing is for sure, may separation. Pwede nagpaalam siya, hindi siya nagpaalam. Sa kanya nang galing yung separation. Ikaw yung iniwan. So yun. Para kasing wala yung flow. Yung nakikita natin dito, wala yung flow na merong matinding away. Bigla na lang nawala. Parang gumising ka ng isang araw na nasaan yung relationship? Nasaan si person? No? Napansin ko na lang na nung una hinahayaan ko pa na nababawasan yung I love yous, nababawasan yung communication, and then hindi ko inakala na yun na pala yung sign na iiwan ako ni person, and then I just woke up na wala na pala akong karelasyon, no? Kasi na yung sa'yo parang feeling mo inaantay mo pa siya, no? Inaantay pa kita, inaantay ko pa yung pagbabalik mo, inaantay ko pa yung clarity, inaantay ko pa kung closure ba ito, no? With the Seven of Cups and the Six of Pentacles. Kahit sabihin natin may nagpaparamdam, no, sa'yo, kahit sabihin natin may pumoporma sa'yo, kahit sabihin natin na may in-entertain ka ng iba, yung puso mo parang isang tao lang yung sinisiga, isang tao lang yung tinitibok. So, alam mo yun sa sarili mo. Seven of Cups is clarified with the Four of Swords and the Knight of Swords. I don't know if this is just a rebound or probably you also tried. Kung kaya mo bang kalimutan si person, sabihin natin, oh, sige, nakipagrelasyon ako for the sake of sinusubukan kong alamin kung totoo ba na itong person na ito is makakalimutan ko. So, sige, mag-entertain ako ng iba. Pero, the longer it seems, the more na lalo mo napapatunayan na I think I need to go back and wait for the person kasi nakakasakit na ako ng damdamin ng iba. And of course, niloloko ko yung sarili ko. Alam ko yun, no? With the Page of Wands, the Four of Wands, and the Knight of Pentacles. I don't know if kung nag-deactivate si person, pero I think that you're searching for your person online. Wow, with the Four of Wands. Pwede rin ditong may nagbalitang may karelasyon na siya, kasal na siya. But again, those are just for you, no? Chismis. Kasi walang clarity, walang may pakitang ebidensya. Gusto kong marinig kay person mismo, no? Kung totoo ba ito. The Ten of Swords and the Two of Swords. The Ten of Swords is clarified with the Page of Swords and the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like online si person or meron siyang ibang account pero hindi na ginagamit yung account na alam mo or pwedeng temporary deactivated, pwede rin permanent, pero iba yung ginagamit niyang account eh. And it felt like nagbago din siya ng trabaho. Baka nga to the extent nagbago din siya ng identity. Pwedeng mahirap yun kung yung legality, no? Pero siguro sa online to, no? Madali naman magbago ng name sa online, 'di ba? Kahit kayo, pwede yung iba-ibahin yung pangalan nyo, no? Buwan-buwan. Buwan-buwan ba pwede? I don't know. With the Two of Swords is clarified with the Three of Wands and the Justice. Wow. Kasi Two of Swords, parang ito yung sinasabi ng universe na silence is a yes, silence is already an answer. So kung ano yung nakikita mo, yun na yun, no? Hindi mo na yata kailangan, parang sinasabi ni universe dito, you don't need to look for closure. You don't even need to wait for the person. Parang mas ikabubuti mo na you move forward. Yun yung sinasabi dito. Instead of waiting in vain. So, eto yon. Annie Lennox, alam mo yung kantang yon? I don't wanna wait in vain. Baka yun ang iyong magiging bagong theme song. Ayan. Annie Lennox. Kakantahin ko sana, pero baka kasi makopyright tayo, no? And hindi rin ako, wala rin akong boses sa pagkanta, so wag na lang. Pakinggan nyo na lang yon. So this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. And kung meron kayong mga tanong, no, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So let's check now the zodiac sign. This can be their sun sign or lumabas lang yung placement ng kanilang chart. Of course, reading mo to, lalabas ang iyong zodiac sign. Kung hindi ang iyong zodiac sign, placement ng iyong chart, no? Libra, Leo, Taurus, Aquarius, Gemini, Aries, Sagittarius, Pisces, Taurus, Scorpio, Cancer, Virgo. This is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.